ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। भूरम्भांस्यनलो नीलोऽम्बरमहर्नाथो हिमांशुः पुमान् इत्याभाति चराचरात्मकमिदं यस्यैव मूर्त्यष्टकं नान्यत् किञ्चन विद्यते विमृशतां यस्मात् परस्माद् विभोस्तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं Shri Dakshinamurtaye. So this shloka talks about upasana, and upasana will prepare for Brahmanishtha. It will give single pointedness, ekagrata. It will also expand my mind above my narrowness, and the Ashtanga Yoga which is given, it will also give some siddhi, and those siddhis are discussed here. So we saw 4 levels of siddhis. First level was that this person will have less of mala, mutra, kapha ityadi, healthy body and lighter body, fragrance from his body, etc. Second level of siddhi was that he will not be affected by the thorns, etc., will not drown in water or in slush, and he will have mastery over hunger, thirst. Third level of siddhi was he will be able to eat lot of food, drinks, etc., and the heat, fire, etc., he will have greater tolerance, and can see things from far, can hear things. And fourth siddhi we saw in 37th Vartika, that he can run faster, climb like a monkey, and even fly in space. Further now, Panchamam Yoga Lakshanam Aha. Page number 160, Vartika 38. Jnanam trikala vishaya maishwarya manimadikam ananta shaktimatvancha panchamam yoga lakshanam. ज्ञानं त्रिकालविषय मैश्वर्यमणिमादिकम् अनन्तशक्तिमत्वञ्च पञ्चमं योगलक्षणम्. ज्ञानं त्रिकालविषयम्. Jnanam is trikala vishayam. So he will have knowledge of all the 3 kala. This is Panchamam Yoga Lakshanam. Then Animadikam Aishwaryam. Anima, Lagima, Mahima, Garima ityadi. Aishwarya. Ananta Shaktimatvam. He will have lot of strength also. Ananta Shaktimatvam. Aparimita Balavatvam. Lot of strength. Like Bhima, it was said he has lot of strength. Like that. Or some people have that. Even now, like in the Western world, they say Hercules and all, or some Samson, some name I don't remember, but they all have lot of strength. Further, एवं स्थान विशेषाभिजये in the victory of the sthana vishesha chinnani uktani. Some more chinnas are given. Prane sushumnayam prana nirodhena tatra manovashikare chinnamaha. Pran nirodha, when it takes place and it goes in sushumna nadi, then the siddhi is explained here. Prane sushumnam samprapte nadonta shruyateshtadha घंटादुन्दुभिशङ्खाब्धि वीणा वेणुवादिताळवत् प्राणे सुषुम्नां सम्प्राप्ते नादोऽन्तः श्रूयतेष्टधा घंटादुन्दुभिशङ्खाब्धि वीणा वेणुवादिताळवत्. Prane sushumnam samprapte. When the prana attains sushumna nadi, nadontaha shruyate. Inside, 8 kinds of different sounds one can hear. What are they? Ghantanada. So like they say, if you close your ears and nostrils and everything and just focus inside. So, one sound is always there, and that is pranava, om. In addition, 7 are mentioned here. Ghanta, the bell ringing. Dundubhi, the drums. Shankha, conch. Abdhi means ocean. Veena, Venu means flute. And Adi means mridangam, the damaru. आदि ताड़वत. इन टीका अष्टधात्वम एव आह घंटा. वेणुवादि इत्यादि पदात् मृदंगादि गृह्यते. सो आदि मीन्स मृदंग ऑल्सो. एतेषां ध्वनि सदृशा नादा श्रुति गोचरा भवन्ति इत्यर्थ. दीस सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ दीस साउंड्स वन कैन एक्चुअली हियर इनसाइड. व्हेन यू हियर दिस साउंड, देन यू नो योर प्राणस आर इन सुषुम्ना नाडी. This is the check. Just like in other siddhis, if you have some siddhi, then you can say you are in the Panchama Yoga, Chaturtha Yoga, like that. Here, if you can hear these sounds within, means for this, I have to be in quiet atmosphere. My mind has to be extremely quiet and it has to be extremely alert, so that I am able to notice even slightest sound within. Then this will happen. So, very exalted yogic state. Further now. Evam siddhe sushumnayam धारणा योगे प्रत्यग रूपेश्वराविर्भावो भवति इत्याह. एवं सिद्धे, इन दिस वे, सुषुम्नायाम धारणा योगे, इन सुषुम्ना नाड़ी, व्हेन यू डू धारणा, प्रत्यग रूप ईश्वर आविर्भावो भवति. द ईश्वर हु इज विदिन, ही मैनिफेस्ट्स when the dharana is done in sushumna. And that siddhi means it is accomplished, then this will happen. Tanunapat tatitat, tanunapat tatitara, tanunapat tatitara, taresha-tapanopamam. Brahmanadingate prane बिंबरूपं प्रकाशते. तनूनपात्तटित्तारा तारेश तपनोपमं ब्रह्मनाडींगते प्राणे बिंबरूपम प्रकाशते. Tanunapad means Agnihi. Tatit means Saudamini. In Tika it is given. Tadit Saudamini means lightning. Tara means Nakshatrani, the constellations. Tareshaha, Taresha means Chandraha. Tapana, Tapana means sun. Suryaha. Tapanopamam. Brahmanadim prane gate bimbarupam prakashate. So when Brahmanadi means Sushumna Nadi. Brahmanadi is Sushumna Nadi. In that prana, when it has entered, then bimbarupam chaitanyam prakashate. Bimbarupam Parameshwara chaitanyam kramena in tika kramena agnyadi bhasavat avabhasate ityartha. So how Parameshwar is manifest? Like fire, like lightning, like nakshatra, chandra, surya. Means I see prakasha. So when people see prakasha, they think, this prakasha is Brahma. Actually, what is meant is, it is manifestation of Brahma. It is clearly given in Tika. Bimbarupam Parameshwar Chaitanyam Kramena Agnyadi Bhasavat Avabhasate ityartha. Like Agnyadi Bhasa. Idanim Tatra Pranava Abhivyakti Prakaramaha. Now it is said how Pranava manifests there. Shwasascharanti yavanto Manushyasya dinam prati Tavanti yojananyarkaha Shwase shwase pradavati Shwasascharanti yavanto Manushyasya dinam prati Tavanti yojananyarkaha Shwase shwase pradhavati. Shwasaha yavantaha manusyasya dinam prati charanti tavanti yojanani arkaha shwase shwase pradhavati. Every day a human being, as many number of breathing in and breathing out he does, that inhalation exhalation, that many yojanas the sun travels. So each breathing in and out is like that much travel of the sun. Travel of the sun means sun doesn't travel, but you say earth travels in this way. And how much is that? That number is given in the next shloka. Manusyasya dinam prati kati shwasas charanti iti apekshama. In one day, how many times we breathe? So that number, it is said, ekavimshati sahasram षट्शतं श्वास संख्यया सोहमित्युच्चरत्यात्मा मंत्रं प्रत्यहमायुषे एकविंशतिसाहस्रं षट्शतं श्वास संख्यया सोहमित्युच्चरत्यात्मा मंत्रं प्रत्यहमायुषे एकविंशति सहस्रम षट्शतम. एकविंशति means 21, सहस्रम is 1000, षट्शतम means 600, 21,600. This many times we breathe in and breathe out every day. So in 1 minute we can calculate, and then like normal breathing, and then you multiply it by 3,600 minutes every day, right? No. 24 hours times 60 minutes. Yes, 60 times 24. So in 1 minute, if you breathe in, let's say 10 times, and then how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. And then 24 hours. So they feel that we are breathing more than 10 times in a minute. Then only it will come. And that is soham iti ucharati atma mantram pratyaham ayushe. That many times the soham, in and out, you can have. Soham iti ucharati atma. टीका आ सूर्योदयात् सूर्योदय पर्यंतम अहोरात्रम यावत् तावत् षट्शताधिकै एकविंशति सहस्र संख्यम श्वासोच्छ्वासम आचरन् हंसः सोहम इति मंत्रम उच्चरति स्वभावत एव. हंसः सोहम, हंसः सोहम. And why ayushe? Kimartham ayushe? Ayushe means ayuhu vriddhyartham. Means his life will be sustained in this way. So for 21,600 times, this breathing in and breathing out is in the form of hamsaha soham, hamsaha soham. It goes on. Tatah kim iti atah. So what it is said? Sakarancha hakarancha lopayitva prayojayet sandhim vai purvarupakhyam tato sau pranavo bhavet. सकारंच हकारंच लोपयित्वा प्रयोजयेत् संधिं वै पूर्वरूपाख्यं ततोऽसौ प्रणवो भवेत्. From soham, soham is sa o ha a m, sa o ha a m. From that you remove sa and ha. Sakaram cha hakaram cha lopayitva. You do lopa of sakara hakara. So what will remain? O a m, ma. O a ma. And then between o and a purva rupa sandhi. O and a purva rupa sandhi. So a will merge in o. So now O, A, Ma were there. A has merged in O. So it will remain as Om. That is Pranava. Sandhim vai purva rupakhyam tato sau pranavo bhavet. In this way, Soham is actually Pranava. Sakare hakare cha lupte okarah akarah binduscha avashishyate. Okarah will remain from sa. So, if you remove sa, o will remain. From ha, hakar if you remove, a will remain. And bindu, bindu means ma, anuswara, that om, soham, that makara. Bindushya avashishyate. Tatra purva rupakhyam sandhim prayojayet. Then you should do purva rupa sandhi. Akara मोकार अकारम ओकारात्मनि एकीकुर्यात्. अकार should be merged in O. बिंदुम च ओकारेण योजयेत इत्यर्थ. And that bindu also should go on top of O. So Om will remain. That is Pranava. अस्य ओंकारस्य प्रणवाख्यस्य अवयव अन्विभजते तच्चिन्तनार्थम. अवयवान विभजते. अस्य ओंकारस्य प्रणवाख्यस्य अवयवान विभजते. The अवयवस are divided now of this Om for Chintanam. अकारश्चाप्युकारश्च मकारो बिंदुनादकौ पंचाक्षराण्यमून्याहुः प्रणवस्थानि पंडिताः. अकारश्चाप्युकारश्च मकारो बिंदुनादकौ पंचाक्षराण्यमून्याहुः प्रणवस्थानि पंडिताः. अकारश्च अपि उकारश्च मकारो. सो अकार उकार मकार, दिस इज ओम. अकार उकार मकार, and then there is bindu and nada, bindu nada. In this way pranava is panchakshara. पंचाक्षराणि अमुनि आहुः. पंचाक्षराणि अमुनि आहुः प्रणवस्थानि पंडिताः. पंडितास they say this is pranava is panchakshara. टीका. Ascha uscha. So first a and u, their sandhi will make it o. Then etad upari makare yojite. Then if you put ma, then what will happen? Ayam cha makarah swarahinatvat parena binduna yojyah. Then it is without swara. Tada om iti rupam nishpadyate. Then Om, this rupa is accomplished. Om iti rupam nishpadyate. Etaccha ghoshavata pranena ekikarena nadena mooladharad utthitena. Now some other ideas are explained about this. So first Om is there, and then you have to connect it with Bindu. So it will become Om iti. And then Ghosha. So in the Sanya Prakranam, it is given how that Ghosha is there. Ghoshavata pranena ekikarena. When it becomes one with that, nadena mooladharad utthitena prano ushma sancharana nadigata सुशिराभिव्यक्तेन अभिव्यज्यते इति नादावसान उच्यते. So that is the nada, bindu and nada. Nada is what? That the घोषवता pranena ekikarena. So that sound will come from the mooladhara. Mooladharad utthitena प्राण उष्म संचरण नाड़ीगत सुशिराभिव्यक्तेन. The warmth which is there in the prana, from that Om, that a final sound expression, because a, u, ma are there, and then bindu, they are the letters, and sound is the nada part. So in this way 5 aspects are there: akar, ukar, makar, bindu, nada. एवं प्रणवस्थानी प्रणव शब्द वाच्य पिंडस्थानी अमुनि पंचाक्षराणि अकार उकारो मकारो बिंदुश्च इति चत्वारि. अकार उकार मकार एंड बिंदु. नादश्च तेषां सामान्यात्मकः पंचमम अक्षरम एंड नाद इज द फिफ्थ वन. इति एवं पंचाक्षराणि आहुः पंडिताः आत्मविद्यासु कुशला इत्यर्थः. So in this way, Pandita, who are the experts in the Atma Vidya, they say this Om is actually Panchakshara. It has 5 aspects. Generally we talk about Akar, Ukar, Makar, and then in Shaiva Darshan they add Bindunada. So because it was said earlier, Bindunada, Shakti Shiva, etc. Now, अथ एतेषाम् अक्षराणां क्रमेण देवताः. नाउ हू इज द देवता, दैट इज आल्सो सेड. ब्रह्मा विष्णुश्च रुद्रश्च ईश्वरश्च सदाशिवः. तेष्वक्षरेषु तिष्ठन्ति षट्त्रिंशत् तत्त्वसंयुताः. ब्रह्मा विष्णुश्च रुद्रश्च ईश्वरश्च सदाशिवः. तेष्वक्षरेषु तिष्ठन्ति षट्त्रिंशत् तत्त्वसंयुताः. Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Ishvara and Sadashiva. These are the 5 devatas presiding over the A, U, Ma, Bindu and Nada. Teshu Akshareshu Tishtanti. And these devatas are Shat-trimshat Tattva Sanyutaha. They are associated with these 36 elements. Shat-trishat Tattva Sanyuta iti tani api tattwani pranavantargatani eva na tato bahihi santi iti dhyotayan pranavasya purnatmatam dhvanayati. So these 36 tattvas which are there, they are all included in pranava. So pranava Om actually includes the entire Brahmanda, which is directly said in Upanishad mantras. Om iti etad idagam sarvam, in this way tasyopavyakhyanam bhutam bhavat bhavishyaditi. So here it is explained in different way, but main idea is that Om is everything. न ततो बहिः सन्ति इति द्योतयन् प्रणवस्य पूर्णात्मतां ध्वनयति. सो प्रणव इज पूर्णात्मा. सर्वं हि वाच्यं वाचकैः ग्रस्तं अवभासते. सर्वं हि वाच्यं, वॉट एवर इज द वाच्यं, वाचकैः ग्रस्तं. वॉट एवर इज द वाच्य is enveloped by the vachaka. Vachaka is Om. Vachyam is the world. Brahmanda is Vachya and Vachaka is Om, Pranavaha. So like in Yoga Sutra it is said, Tasya Vachakaha Pranavaha. Ishwarasya Vachaka is Pranavaha. So Ishwara is Vachya. Ishwara means Saguna. Because Nirguna is Avachya, but Saguna can be Vachya. Sarvam cha Vachakam Pranavaksharena Grihyate. Tasya Sarva Shabda Samanyatmakataya Sarva Shabda Vyapakatvat. Tasya Sarva Shabda Samanyatmakataya. So it being Sarva Shabda Samanya, Sarva Shabda Vyapakatvat. It is pervading all words. Because it is there in all words. Om pervades all words. And all words include all objects. Therefore, Om pervades all objects. Is it clear how Om pervades all objects? Because Om includes all words. And all objects in the world are referred by words. and all words are included in Om. So Om refers to whole world. तथा च श्रुति, and Chandogya Shruti is given. Tad yatha shankuna sarvani parnani. Correct? It is Chandogya, right? सर्वाणि पर्णानि संतृणानि एवं ओंकारेण सर्वावाक् संतृणा ओंकार एव इदम सर्वम इति. Shankuna means if you take the leaf parna of people tree, then in that leaf you will find these small like nerves are there in the body, like that there will be those in the leaf. I am sure there is some biological name for it, which I have no idea. So that there is a structure in the leaf of all these, and in that way, and there is a main thread that is called the Shanku, that the middle stem in the leaf. All these smaller things are connected to that main stem. In that way, Om is the main stem and everything is connected. All speech, all words, all objects, everything is connected to Om. Om iti etad aksharamidam sarvam. That is given in Mandukya. Sarvagam hi etad brahma. Ajamatma Brahma. Here Shvetashvatara. That is also Mandukya actually. Not Shvetashvatara. That is Mandukya only. Iti Onkar Brahmanor Abheda Pratipadanat Purna Dvitiya Brahmatmakaha Pranavaha Samvrita iti sa Tathopasya iti Tatparyarthaha. In this way, Onkar Brahmanoho Abheda Pratipadanat. Between Onkara and Brahma there is Abheda, Purna Advitiya Brahmatmakaha Pranavaha Samvrita. Purna Advitiya Brahma, infinite non-dual Brahma, Pranava Samvrita. Samvrita means it is covered by this Onkara itself is Brahma. Iti sa tatha upasya iti tatparyartha. And therefore, when somebody does upasana of Brahma through Pranava, Onkara, then that Brahma becomes upasya. Now, idanim, you can chant this shloka, it's beautiful. Yasya deve para bhaktir yatha deve tatha gurau tasyaite kathita hyarthaha prakashante mahatmanaha. So this is Shvetashvatar Shruti, which says that Yasya Deve, the one who has Parabhakti in Devata, and just as in Devata, like that in Guru also, then to them Tasyayate Arthaha Kathita, in Upanishad what is spoken, Mahatmanaha Prakashante, to that Mahatma all these things become clear. Iti Shrutimashritya Gurudevata Upasanadina Sarvasiddhiriti Tatkartavyatam Suchanaha. And therefore, all siddhis are possible through Guru and Devata Upasana. Therefore, one should do Guru Upasana, Devata Upasana. That is said here. Guru Prasada Labhate Yogamashtanga Lakshanam Shiva Prasada Labhate Yoga Siddhim cha Shashwatim. गुरुप्रसादाल्लभते योगमष्टाङ्गलक्षणं शिवप्रसादाल्लभते योगसिद्धिं च शाश्वतीं. So through Guru Prasada, Ashtanga Yoga Lakshanam, the Ashtanga Yoga is accomplished, and through Shiva Prasada, Yoga Siddhi. Actually they are one only, but here, just for the sake of it, they are given differently. Through Guru Prasada, Yoga. Through Shiva Prasada, Yoga Siddhi. Yoga Siddhi means Atma Tattva Avirbhava. That I will be able to clearly know Atma. How? Because I have already done Shravanam Mananam, and yet if Atma is not revealed, then this will help me. In this way I should understand. Not that only Upasana of Guru and Shiva or only Ashtanga Yoga practice will reveal it, but the one who has already done some Shravanam Mananam, and then this kind of practice, long practice, this Janma and all earlier Janmas all put together will help him. Vyakyanante Mangalamacharan Ukta Pranavartham Prakatayati. Now at the end of Vyakyanam, Mangalam again is done. So, and through that the meaning of Pranava is revealed. Pranava Artham Prakatayati. Satchidananda Rupaya Bindunadantaratmane Adimadhyanta Shunyaya Gurunam Gurave Namaha. Satchidananda Rupaya Bindunadantaratmane Adimadhyanta Shunyaya Gurunam Gurave Namaha. Satchidananda Rupaya iti Swarupam Uktam. So, the Swarupa of Paramatma is revealed as Satchidananda Rupa. Bindunadantaratmane, and the one who is the Antaratma of Bindunada. Adi Madhyanta Shunyaya, the one who is devoid of beginning and end. And Gurunam Guru, the one who is the Guru of all Gurus. To that is the salutation. Swarupam Uktam. So Swarupam is presented. Bindunadantaratmane iti tabhyam upalakshaniyataya. Upalakshanam uchyate. Bindunadantaratmane means through the upalakshana of Bindu and Nada. Edad uktam bhavati. Satchidanandaha akara ukara makaratmakaha. Satchidananda is akara ukara makara, and that is pranavaha Brahma Swarupa Nitya Kutastha. It is the Brahma Swarupam Nitya Kutastham. Bindu Nadav tu Rupanamani Avirbhava Tirobhava Dharmakau Staha. Bindu Nada, they are Rupa and Nama. So Bindu is the Rupa, Nama is the Nada. Nada is Nama. Avirbhava Tirobhava Dharmakau. Manifest and unmanifest. They are of two nature. Utpatti sthiti laya dharam vastu gamayate iti pranava brahmopalakshanam iti. And they are, this pranava brahma is the adhara, support of utpatti sthiti laya. Nama rupatmaka nad bindu adhishthanasya Ashrayantara shankam apakurvan naha. Adi madhyanta shunya. Somebody may think that, okay, it itself might have utpatti sthiti laya. So, it is said, no, it is adi madhyanta shunya. So, nama rupatmaka nad bindu adhishthanasya, the one which is adhishthanam of this nama rupatmaka nad bindu, it might have another ashraya. So it is said, no, this doesn't have any ashraya. This is the ashraya of all. को असौ एवं वेद इति आह गुरुणां गुरवे नमः. Dakshinamurti Guru is Guru of all Gurus. And that's why if you do that upasana, then all Gurus are covered in Dakshinamurti. Navama shloka vyakhya upasamharati. Ninth shloka of Dakshinamurti vyakhya is concluded. Iti Shri Dakshinamurti स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबंधे मानसोल्लासे नवमोल्लास संग्रहः. इति श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबंधे मानसोल्लासे नवमोल्लास संग्रहः. So in this way, in this Dakshinamurti Stotra Artha Pratipadaka Manasollasa Prabandhe, in this ninth Navamolasa Sangraha Samapta. Ninth Ullasa is complete. And now we are in the Dashama Ullasa. So if you are okay, then we can do few minutes, because tomorrow I don't think we will be able to complete anyway. We will need 2 classes. There are how many shlokas? 24. So we'll need 1 hour actually. So either I can do little more today, or we'll just do 2 more sessions. Whatever you are comfortable with, because I don't know how you are sitting there and there is disturbance. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Om Purnamadaha पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.